Cardano ADA will hit $10 soon. Cardano has been having a fantastic year in 2021 so far, with the network breaking milestone after milestone. Do you think Cardano will soon overtake its predecessors and take its respectful place in the crypto world? Let's take a look why Cardano ADA is hitting $10 soon. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next week. Let's get to it. Before heading forward, kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Cardano's most recent milestone is the establishment of over 50,000 new staking addresses in the network, indicating renewed investor interest. The development team's improvements, including the Alonzo update, smart contract capabilities, and the projected introduction of stable fees, are inextricably linked to the increase in staking addresses on the network. Cardano has reached another incredible milestone in the last 3 weeks, with the establishment of over 50,000 new staking addresses in just 3 weeks. This development brings the total number of staking addresses on the network to 659,301, representing a growth of 8%. The entire value of ADA staked in these pools is $29.44 billion, with 2,647 active pools, accounting for 71.27% of the total supply of Cardano. The number was tracked by the Pool Nasdaq Pool tool, and it comes after Cardano announced that it has over 1 million wallets, with many more being created every day. Even on days when the market was heavily bearish, the number of new Cardano wallets produced surpassed 6,800. Cardano's development team is creating groundbreaking advancements as the network continues to achieve significant milestones. The Alonzo upgrade has caused a lot of buzz in the Cardano environment as it makes considerable progress. Following the launch of the Alonzo Blue testnet earlier this month, it was reported that Alonzo may now run smart contracts. The Alonzo white phase of the upgrade will begin after the successful implementation of a round trip between the ledger and back. Cardano's rise is now reflected in the platform's market capitalization, which has the potential to grow much more. The market capitalization has now overtaken or equaled that of some well-known traditional publicly traded corporations. According to Finbold data, ADA has a market value of $50.42 billion, which is larger than Coinbase's $49.43 billion as of June 15, 2021. Roblox, an online gaming platform, has a market capitalization of $49.05 billion. Among the 11 publicly traded assets, the ADA market cap trails telecoms giant Vodafone by $0.94 billion. IDEX Laboratories, a veterinary services firm, trails ADA with a market capitalization of $50.18 billion, followed by Dutch-based Koninklijke Philips with a market capitalization of $50.02 billion, and Dow Inc. with a market capitalization of $50.01 billion. The paper investigates how ADA has managed to distinguish itself from other publicly traded corporations. It is worth noting that ADA and the selected assets come from various backgrounds, according to the research report. Aside from Coinbase, ADA is a new cryptocurrency. The market capitalization statistic, on the other hand, reflects the cryptocurrency's incredible journey since its inception. Cardano's market capitalization milestones follow the asset's rise in prominence, which has been accompanied by an injection of capital and widespread blockchain usage. The value of ADA has increased by at least 750% since the beginning of the year. Furthermore, with continual updates aimed at improving the blockchain, the Cardano network is laying the groundwork for enhancing investor confidence. Since people began speculating about ADA as a Ethereum killer and its tech improvements, Cardano has been the topic of the town. The end-of-year price objective for the third-generation cryptocurrency was set at $10 according to one prediction. While it may appear irrational, long-term measurements actually go in that direction. Crypto Capital Venture, a well-known analyst, examined how such a possibility might materialize. While the currency has managed to stay above the $1 mark, its toes have remained firmly planted in the bearish zone. The coin was trading at $1.3 at the time of writing this report, indicating a bullish trend. If you look at the weekly chart, you can see that ADA has been consolidating its climb over $1 for quite some time. There are two reasons why this level is significant. The 200 moving average MA line is exactly at that place for starters. During the most recent collapse, the coin bounced off of this line to protect itself from further loss. Second, the $1 mark is within the bull market door support area on the macro Fibonacci green bar. Cardano did something similar when it took a break from its bull run in September 2020. For nearly 3 months, ADA consolidated between $0.08 and $0.12, with the 200 SMA functioning as support. Shelly was released around the time of this halt. Following that consolidation, the coin burst through resistance and went on a bull run, taking ADA to $1.3 before settling. ADA appears to be following a similar strategy with the impending Goguen release. Cardano held its 200 MA as support as the current bull run that enabled the currency to reach its ATH of $2.3 fell down, bringing the price down to the $1.2 area. If the pattern holds, ADA may be consolidated for the time being. ADA, on the other hand, could explode if the consolidation process is completed. This is maybe what it could look like going into that explosive ending to the bull market, hovering up in the $10 zone, $10+ zone level, stated Crypto Capital Venture analyst. This can be seen on the macro Fibonacci chart, see image below, which shows that ADA has never broken above the $1.618 level during its recent bull run. ADA slid into the bull market door support after 1.618 refused the ATH from breaking through. This suggests a significant possibility of bouncing off the door support and rallying into phase 2 of the bull run. This breakthrough over 1.618 could happen about the same time when Goguen smart contracts is fully published on the mainnet. It's crucial to keep in mind that this forecast is based on prior trends and does not guarantee a specific outcome. The market may become bearish for a while if the coin breaks down and falls below $1. Let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of XRP is doing on June 30th, shall we? Following in the footsteps of its major rivals, ADA/USD traded to a high of nearly 1.9 on June 2nd and found itself at lows around the $1 mark on June 22nd. The ability of the ADA/USD pair to produce a wide range of volatility stays constant. However, because a sea of whipsaw circumstances has developed within this time frame, it's too easy to just claim Cardano is trading below the $1.35 mark as of recording this video on June 30th, and it is testing prices last seen in late February. On the 15th of March, ADA/USD was trading within sight of the 2.5 juncture. Cardano's overbought euphoric highs may take a long time to recover from, so traders should keep their expectations in check. It's tempting to try to make a long-term bullish move into ADA/USD, but the choppy conditions that have prevailed should serve as a cautionary note. Traders must comprehend the landscape in which they find themselves and adjust their strategies accordingly. Because of the ADA/erratic USD's performance in June, short-term trading may be a good option. Until Cardano is able to break through barrier levels and sustain a steady upward trajectory, traders may want to consider selling ADA/USD on higher reversals. Since the 20th of June, ADA/USD has not been able to trade above the 1.45 level. Yes, Cardano was trading near the 1.2 junction on June 26th and made a pleasant rise higher, but ADA/USD has traced lower again after hitting resistance slightly above the 1.4 level yesterday. Speculators continue to appreciate ADA/USD because of its productivity for producing attractive value adjustments with quick outcomes. However, given the general state of the cryptocurrency market, it's probable that Cardano will lose some of its speculative glitter if its range stays bumpy. Therefore, trading volumes should be kept an eye on. If support levels are approached and the 1.3 mark is touched, traders may consider the 1.25 to 1.2 marks could be credible targets. While the cryptocurrency market as a whole has been relatively stable in recent days, the technical trend does not support this. Midterm price ranges are still under pressure, and the ADA/USD pair is testing what may be considered significant lows. For bearish speculators, the low of 1.0 on June 22nd should remain a warning indicator, but not necessarily a price target. Traders may be lured if the 1.4 juncture is penetrated higher if ADA/USD is able to provide upward momentum. However, speculators should be cautious in the current environment if they expect a bullish trend to arise unexpectedly. The area between 1.45 and 1.5 should be closely monitored. It's probable that a shift in attitude is happening if these prices see a continuous quantity of trading. Speculators may be advised to aim for higher prices if the 1.5 threshold is breached. On June 15th, ADA/USD traded near the 1.6 barrier for the first time. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope the session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Cardano Land.